Hello everyone, this is still on the circles, the lesson of circle of the in the lesson of graph of equation, okay, in the section of circles. Okay, now I want to explain some question in the exercise, which exercise 1.1, which is can be example when you do the work, okay. So now this exercise 1.1, okay, exercise 1.1. On the question 64, then you're gonna have the handout later. Okay, now this one, this question like the standard form of the equation of the circle with the given characteristic and sketch its graph. Okay, find the standard form. Okay, then we can see this one. Find the standard form, how to get standard form. See, we like the formula first, okay, see the solution. The formula we have x minus h, the whole thing power 2 plus as a y minus k, the whole thing power 2 equal to r squared, right? Now this question gives us center. Center point is what, -7 and 4. Then we know this is a h and this is a k and this is the r. Okay, so we just write it down. Okay, now replace h. Now x we don't know, so minus from the formula, and h and -7, right? So -7, and then this the whole thing is power 2 plus y minus k. K is a -4 minus this one from the formula, okay? Then -4. And the whole thing, power 2. R radian is 7, so 7 power 2. So then simplify this one gonna be x plus 7 minus time minus becomes 7. So become plus 7, so power 2 plus y. And then this one minus time minus become plus, right? So you have y plus 4 and the whole thing power 2. This 4, okay? And then equal to 7 power 2. 7 power 2 means 49, right? Okay. So in this case, we got this a standard form now. Okay, this one is a standard form. Now this is the answer. Maybe just say this is a question for A, okay? This is the answer for the standard form. So I can use a straight line, maybe better. Okay. So this is a question A. We got the standard form here. Okay, we get the standard form like here. After this, we need to plot the graph. Let's get the graph. So we lay down center, -7 and -4, right? So we come here. Now is, see this -7, -4. When you see from the standard formula here, this one x plus 7. So you have to when you convert, right? You have to become -7, like this one. X plus 7, you have to convert. Then x equal to -7. That's why we got here -7. Okay, it will reverse. You have to convert back to get the center point. Now we have -7, so about here x -7, and go down 4. Okay, so I have to write here -1, -2, -3, and -4. So it's gonna be 7, go down here 4. The center point should be about here, right? So this center point is -7, -4. Center point, this is C, center point, okay? Now, how we plot graph, now how we sketch the graph. So in this case, when we get the center point, right? Get the center point, then radian is what? 7. That means you have to leave this one 7, not 49, okay? 49, you have to take the root because this is r square from the formula here. So you have to take square root, 49 becomes 7. So radian 7, how to do? You see this one, right? This is a x. -7, and this -4 is a y, right? So now we move to this side first. Now I plot this graph. So -7 you can do by start from the x point, -7. So I want to go this side, the radian is a 7. So the right hand side, so you +7. So become 0. So from this one, come to this side, right hand side here. So they will meet right here. Okay, so x becomes 0. Okay, because this one 0, so this one 0. And then the y point is the same, so -4 here. So gonna be about this point. So this the xy point on the circumference. X gonna be 0 and y become -4. So I got this point. Okay, now come to this side, to the left hand side, so you have to minus. Then now we work on x, on the x first. Okay, this one on the x first. So you work to the left hand side, so you have to minus. So then to this is the right hand side. Okay, for x value x, maybe I should write this way better. This I represent by this way. Maybe this is the x value, go to the right hand side. Okay, and then we go to the x value, try to get the x point when you go to the left hand side. So we have x -7. To the left hand side you have to minus, but the radian is a 7, correct? Radian is a 7. So then become what? No, not just 0. So become what? -7 become -14, right? So we got it now. The value of x when go to left hand side should be -7. Then you have to count -8 become -9, -10, -11, and then -12, -13, and this one -14. So at right here, okay. So then this is a -14, sorry. You can extend here a little bit more. Extend this point, this line, I mean. Okay. So like the arrow right here. Go back to this color. So this point is a -14. So when go to the left hand side for the x value, so gonna be at this one still the same of the y, right? So you draw up to this side. Everyone get? So this one gonna be, this point gonna be x is -14, but y still -4. Nothing changed. Okay, you got this point now. You have 2 points on the left and the right hand. -4. They should be the same level, and should be somewhere here. Okay. Just say about this point. I erase a little bit. -4. This one should be the same level here. Okay, now we go to the value of y. Right now y is a -4 here, right? This one -4. Then when you lead up for 7, radian equal to 7, so you have for the y, when you lead up to the up, for the up, right? So that means you have -4 here. Y is a -4 here, see that? Then you have to plus radian, so become 3. So that means y gonna be at 3, right? So you have to count y gonna be at 3. So this is a next 1, 2, 3 here. So then you to the, so this one gonna be 3 here. From this point you're gonna go up, okay, and then 3 right here, because the y value can be 3. So x -7, but go up here, y. So then become -7 and y become 3. Okay. Now we did for the y, when we lead the y down, right? So from here, y is a 4, right? Lead y down. So -4 Lead it down, so minus radian 7, don't forget, so we have negative 11. So this one have to be gonna be negative 7. So this one negative 4 already, right? So become negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, and go on. This one gonna be negative 11. That's the one we need. So then from this point, you have to make bring down here, down. To make right here is negative 7, negative 11, which is the x is an negative 7. So y, this point x is negative 7 and y negative 11. Even get or not? So after this, you just draw the circle, or this one really big graph, okay? So after this, you just plot the graph. Maybe I use another. Now if you want to find if you want to find the intercept right here, okay? So take a look, where is the intercept right here, right? Right, and this 3 point. So that means this graph, this circle have x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, so we use the idea when you learn the linear and the parabola. So find x-intercept, that means y becomes 0. Okay, so in this case, we can do the calculation. Find the x-intercept. X-intercept. X-intercept, that means y becomes 0. So in this case, you just work on this from work in the standard form, the pink one here. So you replace, right? Replace y equal to 0 here. This one just replace in the formula. So we have x plus y, plus x plus 7 power 2, plus y becomes 0, correct? Replace by 0, plus 4, the whole thing power 2 equal to 49, right? Okay. So then this one, what we have, this one gonna be x plus 7 power 2, and this one gonna be what? 0 plus 4 become 4, 4 power 2 becomes 16, equal to 49. Then we have x plus 7, the whole thing power 2, equal to 49, right? 49 minus 16, what we left become 3, right? Okay, so after this, we take the root, square root, both sides, right? So we have x plus 7 equal to plus minus square root 33, right? So then x equal to plus minus square root 33 minus 7. But then because x, this one radians gonna be what? Then we simplify, right? Use a calculator. So we have square root 33 minus 7 and negative 33 minus 7. So what we have, approximate. This one, the plus sign, if plus sign, right? 33 square root 33 minus 7 come out have negative, so become negative 1.25, approximate 6. And this one gonna be minus what? Square root 33 minus 7. That means you sum it up but become minus, right? So we have about approximate 12.7. Okay. So we have about 12.74 something. So now you see x is a minus, right? So then you replace this one. So you replace this one, x equal to negative. So you replace x equal to negative 1.67 in this equation again to get the value of y. Okay. Can I then become x is a minus 1.26 plus 7 power 2, right? And plus y plus 4 power 2 equal to 49. So then what we have here, replace x in there. So far we know this one, x is a minus 1.26. 1.26 should be somewhere here, this point. So this point should be minus 1.26, really close, right? And this one 12.7. 12.7, this my graph is wrong here now, right? So they should intercept right here. Because my scaling here not equally. Everyone get? So the graph, this graph should be intercept this one. Can I collect? Okay. So this point, just say I want to label it because my scale not really correct. So this point should be negative 12.7 approximate. This is intercept right here. Okay, but this one is still 14, go down here. So this point, and then you can see we get y equal to 0 or not, right? So you from this one, you can simplify by get the negative 1.26 plus 7. So you have 7 minus 1.26, okay? And then power 2, right? 5.74 times 0.574. So this one you have about 32.95, okay? Plus say y plus 4, the whole thing power 2 here. So equal to 49. Then you move this one, right? So y plus 4 power 2 equal to 49 minus 32.95. So minus 49, right? We left about what? Just approximate 16.05, right? Just approximate, just say 16, okay, 0.1. So this side gonna be y plus 4, the whole thing, power 2, okay? This approximate, okay? This one approximate, actually is about 16.1, okay? But we get the whole number. So this one you take square root again. Now from here you take square root for both sides, right? So y plus 4 equal to, take square root, right? This one take square root. So 16, this one gonna be 4. So y equal to 0. So that's one you can see. At this point, when x equal to this one, right? You get the y. This one get the plus minus. Don't forget this one, plus minus. Okay. So then this one gonna be what? 12. This point approximate, okay, and the y 0. And this point is what? Gonna be minus 1.26 and y is 0. So you got this 2 points from there. Okay. So you get this one. That's this x-intercept. So y-intercept really clear here. Y-intercept x0, y negative 4 from the graph, but we can do by calculation. See how to do it by calculation here. Okay. So this one you just y-intercept. Y-intercept mean x equal to 0, correct? So you replace again, replace back to this standard formula again, right? So x becomes 0, so you replace this one just 0. So becomes 0 plus 7, the whole thing power 2, plus y plus 4 power 2 equal to 49, right? So this one become 7, right? 7 power 2 become 49, right? 49 plus y plus 4, the whole thing power 2 equal to 49. So then this one 49 move to this side becomes 0, right? So you left y plus 4, the whole thing power 2 equal to 0. So now when you take the root, okay, take the square root both sides, you have y plus 4 equals 0, then you move y equal to negative 4. So you can see this one, negative 4 equal to this one, right? This is negative 4. So this point is what? x0, y negative 4. So it's correct what we did. Okay, so that's the way how to find the x-intercept and y-intercept for the circle. But this one take a bit long time. So, but I just want let you know how to get x-intercept, y-intercept, no matter linear, parabola, or circle. But circle take time to do because they have if the center not zero, right? If the center not zero, this one center not zero, correct? Center is at -7 and -4. Okay, so I will leave this one right here, and then you can practice question later. Maybe I give you one more example in the exercise 1.1. Okay, and then you can take a look and start to do the work. Okay, I think that's all for today. Bye-bye.